नहीं, आप मेरे से एक प्रश्न पूछिए, चले लेट्स डू इट।
डेंजल, आपकी पैदाइश कब की है? आपकी पैदाइश कब की है? आपने अपना बचपना कहां गुजारा है? आपके माता पिता का नाम क्या है?
मेरी पैदाइश दिल्ली की है, मैंने अपना बचपन यहीं पे गुजारा है। आई एम वेरी मच अ दिल्ली बॉय, 1966, so I'm not very far away from where you are. So and certainly one leg in Mumbai because that's my work, and one leg in Delhi because that's where I am. यार बहुत आसान सा, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग विद यू मैन, यू आस्क्ड मी द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन द प्लैनेट मैन. But okay, I'll ask you a question now, then you can ask your question after. Okay. As far as this movie is concerned, most of the other movies that have been there for some time now, you've taken your shirt off. Why does Salman do that? Is this like a good token for every?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. ये सवाल बहुत ही कमाल का सवाल है. इस सवाल के मैं करीबन हजारों बार जवाब दे चुका हूं, लेकिन कभी थकता नहीं. एक तो मुझे बहुत मजा आता है शर्ट उतारने में. मुझे एक शर्ट पहनता हूं तो मुझे बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल सा फील होता है. दूसरी चीज यह है कि जब एक आदमी शर्ट उतारता है तो जो दूसरे जो आदमी हैं जो कि फिट नहीं है वो कोशिश करते हैं कि वो फिट हो जाएं. बच्चे सड़कों से दूर हटकर जिमों में जाना शुरू कर देते हैं. बॉडी तंदुरुस्त तो हर चीज तंदुरुस्त.
Well, certainly. And Salman Khan has been in the right place at the right time for a very long time now. Have you ever been in the wrong place at the wrong time?
जी हाँ, बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि गलत जगहों पे रहा हूँ, गलत टाइम पर या सही टाइम पे बोलूं.
Okay, Salman Khan's got two passions in life. One, of course, is acting, and the other is, of course, being human.
जी.
What do you think is bigger at the end of the day?
I think there would be a time. Who? There was this guy. His name was Salman Khan. There's really? Oh shit, he's done. But there's always somebody is going. No matter how good what you do, the amount of work you do, the amount of films you do, there is always there's going to be somebody better doing it much better, looking much better, being much fitter. It's already started happening. So what do you leave back? You don't want to be remembered as Salman Khan. They say he's done Ek Tha Tiger. Who cares? There's going to be the film industry, the budgets, the production, the talent as directors, writers, actors are going to come in, are going to be 10 times better. There's not going to be a class. We guys are, because the newer generation, they're more aware, they're much hardworking. It's going to be fight, for the survival of the fittest. They're going to go to different extremes trying to make a mark for themselves. So that is going to be forgotten. So even if it's going to be remembered, who cares? You're dead. But leaving something back like being human, where people should not be able to compete. Okay, इलाज ₹1 के अंदर हो रहा है. Education ₹1 के अंदर हो रही है. What better than that? Well, so there was this guy who did this and went compete with that.
And definitely noble. Coming back to the movie and Kabir Khan and a lot, I'm not asking Salman this one, but is it going to be a 100 crore one or a 200 crore one? Because that's what everybody's looking for, and you've positioned it really well.
Well, I'm not getting into numbers. We know that the numbers are going to be very big. Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Yash Raj, everything is pointing towards, fact that promos have been liked. Everything is pointing to huge numbers. But as I keep saying, I think given that the numbers are big, I hope the film goes beyond the numbers. I hope the film goes, appreciation from the audience for performances, for, we've pushed the boundaries in action, in storytelling. So I think more than just the number, it should be a film that's loved by the audience and most importantly, remembered by the audience years later.
तुझ में ही गुम है, तुझ में ही ख्वाब, अब दर से तेरे जाना